Good afternoon, peeps! Happy Wednesday! It's Wednesday, guys! I'm vlogging today. Meron akong package na na-receive from YesStyle and gusto ko siyang i-try. Tapos kunin ko yung reaction na Dan. So that's gonna be the vlog today. But before that, kasi wala pa si Dan, prepare ko yung dinner namin. Mag-chicken parmesan kami. Sabi niya, late siya darating eh. Siguro mga 6:30. Pero anuhin muna natin yung dishes. Ayan! Ilabas ko lang yung chicken. Ito yung ulam namin mamayang gabi. Chicken parmesan. So, meron akong chicken wings dito, guys. Alams na, masarap to. And keto din siya. Kasi wala siyang butter, wala siyang breading, alam mo yun. So, ano lang talaga siya. Chicken wings lang talaga siya. Tapos parmesan, cheese, butter, keto. And masarap din talaga siya. Mag-light tayo ng kandila. Kasi kahit na summer na, nilalamig ako. Kanina naka-robe ako kaninang umaga kasi malamig. Mabango to, guys. Hindi nga lang talaga as in humahalimuyak yung bango niya. Siguro kasi very open din ng bahay. So hindi siya like humahalimuyak talaga. Siguro kung nasa maliit na space siya, maamoy mo talaga. Pero pag malapitan, ang bango-bango nito. Ito yung Palm Beach na watermelon. Yung sea salt nito mabango. Mas mabango, pareho silang mabango. Magkaiba kasi sila yung sea salt, very manly, yung parang pabango ng lalaki. Ito, sweet. Mas naaamoy nga lang yung sea salt. Yung kandila ha. Pero yung ano nito, yung diffuser, ang bango, guys. Yung diffuser talaga nito, yung reed, yung may mga sticks, ang bango ng watermelon na Palm Beach. I think Australian brand siya. I'm not 100% sure, pero mabango yan. Yan nga yung inano ko eh, wishlist ko sa aking Kris Kringle. Kasi pwede kaming mag-send ng wishlist dun sa nakakuha ng pangalan namin. So yun yung nilagay ko. Yan at saka yung, kasi $100 eh. Tapos yung diffuser niyan parang 39 ata. So yan at saka yung yung French pear, yung binigay namin sa mama ni Dan kasi ang bango-bango talaga and hanggang ngayon nandun pa din yung diffuser niya. Sobrang bango. Nasa banyo nila and pagpasok talaga sa banyo, ang bango-bango talaga nun. Yung nabibili sa Meyer. And yan, nabibili din siya ata sa Meyer. So at least yung monito or monita ko, hindi na sila mahirapan kasi sa isang shop lang. Anyway, hugasan ko lang to and then ikakat ko siya. Sobrang dali lang ito, guys. Tapos masarap talaga to. Sa mga hindi pa nakatry nito, try nyo to kasi yummers talaga siya. And madali lang siya lutuin. Sobrang dali lang. Ayan, guys. Yung ginagawa ko dito is kinakat ko siya into 3. So, itong galamay niya, ito, ako kumakain ito. Ang sarap nito papakin, guys, kapag crispy na siya. Yummers. So, yan 1. And ikat mo yung itong part ng wing at saka itong parang drumstick part ng wing. Yung drumstick na part, yan yung kay Dan. Tapos, ito yung akin. Kasi gusto ko yung hindi sobrang malaman. Si Dan naman, gusto niya yung malaman. So, perfect combination, diba? Walang masasayang na pagkain kasi magkaiba yung gusto namin sa part ng chicken. Pero ito, yung pinakapakpak niya, hindi gusto ni Dan. Hindi niya maintindihan. Parang wala daw laman. Masarap lang naman siya papakin, lalo na kapag meron na siya ng parmesan cheese. Pag na-coat na siya ng parmesan cheese, so good. 1 kilong chicken tong nabili namin. Kasi last time, siguro hindi siya umabot ng 1 kilo and nakulangan si Danny Boy. So, 1 kilo ko this time. Kasi ito lang yung kakainin niya eh. Walang rice. Ako kasi may rice ako eh. Kaya okay lang kahit konting chicken lang. Kasi babawiin sa rice. Kasi hindi siya nagra-rice. Kanina hindi siya nag-lunch. Hindi niya ako pinaluto ng lunch kagabi para today. Sabi niya bibili na lang daw siya ng salad. Pero kanina tumawag siya, sabi niya hindi daw siya nag-lunch kasi nabusog daw siya. Nag-bacon kasi siya kaninang umaga, bacon and eggs. Okay, ini-examine ko lang yung mga wing para walang makalusot na mga balahibo. Because me no likey. No likey balahibo me. Okay, so ito yung chicken breast. Tugasan ko lang to, tapos i-slice ko siya sa gitna. Gustong-gusto to ni Dan tong lunch na to. Kaya nga hindi ko siya gustong araw-arawin niya. Kahit na nag-request siya, ito yung ano niya the whole week. Sabi ko, wag kasi baka magsawa ka, sayang naman. Masarap kasi talaga siya. Tapos kapag nagsawa si Dan, kahit na ganong kasarap, wala na, hindi na niya kakainin. Sayang. Sabi ko, mag-isip tayo ng ibang lunch. Tapos maganda din kasi ito kasi ang bilis lang talaga niya lutuin. Ayan guys, gabi na. Wala pa si Dan, pero tapos na yung pang-lunch niya bukas. Ayan, tapos na yan. Hindi ko pa tinatakpan kasi yung steam, kailangan natin ipalabas. Ito yung sa sauce ng ating Parmesan chicken. So, kailangan ng Parmesan cheese at saka garlic powder. And nandito na yung chicken. Kakalagay ko lang actually, 15 minutes siya. Magsisimula ako sa 15 minutes pero kung hindi pa siya brown or kung hindi ko pa nakuha yung like gusto kong kulay, dadagdagan ko pa siya. But yeah, tapos na rin ako maghugas ng ating mga ginamit. Okay na. So pagdating ni Dan, wala na siyang gagawin. Kasi si Dan, in fairness talaga sa kanya, kahit gano'n siya kapagod galing work, kapag may nakita siyang hugasan, hinuhugasan niya diretso. Walang reklamo-reklamo, hinuhugasan niya ng diretso. Kahit na walang nag-uutos, diba? Ang galing. We all need a Dan in our lives, right guys? Open lang natin yung blinds. Mag-haul tayo guys. Para meron tayong lighting. Ito galing kay Yes Style. Excited ako. Hindi ko pa na-open yung mga damit. Pero in-open ko na siya kasi gusto ko tong tingnan. Gusto ko kasi sana siyang gamitin. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga hindi damit. Tapos yung damit, itatry ko siya mamaya na nandito sa Dan. Tingnan natin yung reaction niya. Kasi may mga damit dito na mga ay, kay Dan din pala dito. Belt. Ayan. Meron siyang belt. Hindi siya leather. Ganito siya, oh. Open natin yan mamaya pagdating niya para siya talaga mag-open. Kasi siya pumili niyan eh. Ano to ha? Bigay ito ng Yes Style. Hindi ko po ito binayaran. So, thank you so much, Yes Style. Ililip ko yung link nila sa description box, guys. And meron akong 10% off kung umabot yung order nyo ng $49. Again, yung 10% off code ko, magagamit nyo siya every order nyo. Hindi siya once-off code. So, you can use it. And, kapag ginamit nyo yung code ko, wala po akong commission doon. Yung links na ililip ko sa description box, affiliate links siya. So, kung mag-order kayo through the link, then may makukuha akong konti, commission ng konti, pero walang kaibahan sa presyo, nothing like that. Wala pong kukunin na pera sa inyo, hindi po mag-iiba ng presyo kapag ginamit niyo yung link ko. Pero again, yung code ko, wala po ako nakukuha doon. It is just purely a code for you guys to use para makasave kayo ng 10% off kapag umabot yung order nyo ng $49. And for my affiliate link, you do not have to use it at all. You can go to the website directly without using my link. And pwede nyo pa din gamitin yung code ko para makakuha kayo ng discount. Okay, so pakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga hindi damit. So I got myself the Claire's Vitamin C Juice Drop. Ibang serum yung ginagamit ko ngayon kasi ito yung ginagamit ko. Actually, dalawa yung serum yung ginagamit ko ngayon. Ito, tapos kasi paubos na yung ganito ko, nag-introduce ako ng bagong serum galing Timi. Kasi ako, kapag skincare, and gusto-gusto siya ng skin ko, ayoko siyang gamitin lagi kasi hindi ko alam kung like ano talaga to, accurate talaga to ha. Pero ayoko na masana yung skin ko sa specific na skincare na gusto-gusto ng skin ko tapos biglang hindi na siya mag-effect sa akin. So, pinapalitan ko talaga siya. Like, kapag naubos na yung isa, pinapalitan ko siya ng bago tapos bumabalik ako sa kanya. Alam mo yun? Pero, I got this kasi this is good, guys. Gustong-gusto ko to. Meron silang freebie. Ito, freebie nila from Mizone or Myzone. Essence Mask. Ayan. Mask is always good. And ito yung dahilan kung bakit in-open ko yung package. Excited masyado. Lisay ba yung pag-pronounce yan? I'm not sure. But it is a hair color bubble creamy bubble color. I got the color Milk Tea Brown. And inopen ko siya kasi akala ko kukulayin ko lang yung buhok ko. Pero natakot ako kasi sabi ko baka sobrang kumulay talaga siya. And yeah, so parang hindi ko alam kung magiging okay siya sa aking maikling buhok. I'm not sure. And hindi na pala ako magpapagupit. Nakapag-decide ako na I'm just gonna keep this, not keep, pero kasi hahaba siya. Pero I'm not gonna get a haircut. Hayaan ko na lang na ganito. Kasi feeling ko bumabalik na yung yung buhok ko before siya sobrang numipis. Manipis naman talaga siya. Ganyan na talaga yung buhok ko. Pero noon may time kasi sa buhay ko na sobrang nipis niya talaga na nag-hair extensions ako. After ko magpagupit, tapos like medyo nag-distress sa buhay, bumabalik na siya guys, diba? And napapansin din siya ng iba na bumabalik na talaga yung buhok ko. So, it's really good. This, natatakot akong gamitin siya kasi baka yung kulay niya at saka baka damaging siya. Hindi naman siguro to damaging, diba? Is this damaging? I don't know. Natatakot ako. Feeling ko okay lang naman sa buhok ko as long as walang bleach. Kasi sabi ko talaga noon, walang kulay, walang kulay. Pero I feel like okay lang naman siguro yung kulay as long as walang bleach. Diba? I'm not sure. Kaya hindi ko siya ginamit kasi medyo nagdadalawang isip ako. But I got that milk tea brown. And the color on her though, so good. Tingnan mo siya, ang ganda-ganda niya. Ang ganda ng kulay ng buhok. I don't think I will get that color. But, you know, it would be good. Nag-order din ako ng earrings. Sobrang ito yung nagpatagal ng package ko. Kasi parang yung shipping ata nito is 3 to 5 days. So, nasali yung ibang order ko dahil dito. And ang tagal ko tuloy siya na-receive. Na-receive ko kasi siya this week lang. Na-receive ko kasi to this week lang. Usually sa Yes Style, kapag ships within 24 hours, nare-receive ko siya within like a week na na-place ko yung order. Ito, plinase ko yung order first week of December. Tapos, na-receive ko siya pa third week, November. Na-receive ko siya pa third week of November na. So, nagtagal siya dahil dito sa earrings na to. Gustong-gusto ko kasi talaga siya. Can you guys see it properly? It's clear na flower. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? Or ako lang ba? Gustong-gusto ko siya. Gustong-gusto ko talaga siya. Ang tagal ko itong hinanap. Hindi ko siya nakita sa Lovisa. And gustong-gusto ko talaga siya kasi clear lang. Tapos parang may pop of gold. Tapos yung golden niya, hindi siya like sobrang like in-your-face gold na peking-peking tingnan. Pero yeah, I like it. Gusto ko siya. Gusto ko siya. I'm not sure kung ito yung susuotin ko sa Christmas party, but try ko muna siya with my dress and see if it looks good. And then I got another pair of earrings. I should start wearing earrings. Ang dami ko ng earrings. Hindi naman ako nag-earrings. Nag-stop ako mag-wear ng earrings. Suotin ko nga ito ngayon. Suotin ko ito ngayon. Yeah, ang ganda kaya nito. Wait, sasuotin ko. Tapos pakita ko sa inyo. Mag-ano na ako, be? Mag-earrings na ako lagi, be. Lagi kong sinasabi yun. Tapos hindi naman natutuloy. Suot-suot ko kasi lagi itong kwintas na to. Tapos hindi lahat ng earrings na meron ako nagmamatch sa kanya. Ito, I think okay lang kasi gold siya. So, I'm gonna wear it. Wait, nails pa more. Ayan, kita nyo ba? O, diba? Hindi nyo masyadong kita. Pero ang cute niya. Ang cute niya, actually. Feeling ko yan lang yung hindi damit. 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 Ito kay Danto. Ay, may sapatos pala nga. Oo. Yes. Alam, madaming damit to Ay, merong ganito. Ah! Fine apple! Meron tayong fine apple na dress. And merong mga heels ha. Namaya kayo sa akin. Ito, si Dan yung pumili nito. Parang lalagyan ata siya ng gadgets kapag nagta-travel. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Oh, yes, lalagyan talaga siya ng gadgets. Yan. Marami siyang kulay, kaya lang itong kulay na to lang yung ships within 24 hours. So, okay lang naman sa akin as long as hindi siya bright. Okay lang sa akin kahit anong kulay, basta dark. So, meron siyang compartment na ganito. Ah, okay. So, meron siyang mga kasamang mga ganito na pieces na may velcro na pwede mo siyang okay. So, ito, dumidikit yung velcro dito. Pwede mo siyang set up however you like. So, pwedeng ay, joke lang. Hindi pala ito yung velcro. Yung nasa gilid yung velcro, guys. Yung dito sa gilid. So, ididikit mo siya dyan sa gilid. Tapos, ididikit mo sa gabilang gilid. So, meron ka ng ganyan. And ikaw na bahala magdikit sa kung saan mo siya gustong idikit. Okay, so that's one compartment. Dalawa kasi yung compartments niya. Yung nasa ibabaw na compartment. Ah, nice! Looks like this. This is nice. Kasi yung nilalagyan ko ng mga gadgets namin ngayon, namatay yung camera ko, oy. Hindi gadgets, guys. Ibig ko sabihin mga chargers, mga cords. So, maganda to, oh. Kasi ngayon yung mga pinaglalagyan ko ng mga gano'n namin kapag nagta-travel kami is like a regular pouch lang. At least ito organized siya. Ayan. Ang dami naming mga ganito, mga organizer, travel organizer na galing sa YesStyle. Halos lahat galing sa YesStyle. Yung iba binigay sa akin. So, thank you so much sa mga nagbigay sa akin nun. Meron silang travel category dun. So, kung may hinahanap kayo, search nyo sa YesStyle. Lalo na yung mga pang-organize. Ang galing talaga. So, hintayin natin si Dan. Ay! Meron pa pala! Hala, hindi ko to nakita. Ayun, hindi ko to nakita nung unang inopen ko to eh. Earrings! Ay, cute! Hala, ang cute nito. Hala, ang dainty nito. Ayan siya, guys. Very, very dainty. Ang cute nito. Hindi ko yan nakita kanina, ha? Buti nila nakita ko. Kasi itatapon ko na sana to. Inano nila, stinaple nila dito eh. Isa kung nasan yung details ng order mo. Anyway, hintayin natin si Dan. Excited na ako i-open yung mga dress. Pero hintayin natin si Dan, boy. Guys, mag-aalas 9 na. Kakarating lang. Yung parents niya din, pumunta dito kanina. Yung mama niya, tsaka yung stepdad niya. Pumunta dito kanina, biglaan. So, ayun. Before dumating si Dan, dumating sila. Tapos dumating si Dan, kinain niya yung kanyang dinner. Usap-usap kami. And umalis na sila. Hindi niya napansin. Usap lang daw sila ng usap ng last appointment niya. Hindi niya napansin yung oras. Guys, magta-try on na tayo, guys. Kasi nandito na si Danny Boy. Nice shorts, babe.
Thank you. I'm feeling a bit chilly today.
You're feeling a bit hot?
I am. Okay, so what am I doing? Just...
Open it.
You gonna try it on?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it? Tea towel?
Tea towel?
My god. This is...
Why? What do you think about this?
Looks ugly.
Grabe ka, babe! Does that look ugly to you?
Yes.
Grabe.
Let's see what it looks like on. Yeah.
I don't think it's ugly. I hope this fits me.
Get it like a doctor.
Eh, wala pa ganun eh. Sige na.
No, we'll be here all day. How many buttons does it have?
I think we don't have to button all of it.
No, they haven't got all of it. We're gonna button enough so they can't see your underwear.
Okay.
I don't like it.
You don't like this?
Do you like that?
Wait, no, I don't know. Let me see.
Nah. Too long.
Too long?
Too long.
Grabe talaga yung mga gusto niya, mga ano, kitang-kita yung ating kigol.
Can I get this? Yes.
Okay, sige.
Okay. Hello.
Meron lang siyang tawag, guys. Na medyo natagalan.
So you like it?
I actually do, because it fits me. You don't like this because it's too long.
It's too long.
How short do you want it to be, my love? Like here?
It's way too long.
I like this. Gusto ko siya. I think it looks classy.
Nah.
No?
Nah, it looks like...
Look at this. It's like party over here.
There's no party there. No party.
Medyo low kasi siya. You don't like this at all?
I don't like it.
I like it. I'm still gonna wear it.
You gonna wear that?
Yeah! What the hell? It's good. Yo, Brackeye.
That's not a Brackeye dress.
Philippines.
That's something if you wear...
Babe, ayaw pa yung anak.
It's no good.
Okay. Next.
Sorry, cut this out so it's not got a text. Alright, next. Wow, this is a big box. We're gonna be here a while.
No, it's gonna be quick.
You know what this?
I'm not trying on everything.
What's this?
I don't know. A dress.
You haven't seen this at all?
No.
Okay.
Ooh,
It's
a
heavy.
dress.
It's heavy.
Okay.
This might be...
Of a dress?
Yeah, but it might be too long. It feels a bit heavy, like
Don't worry, my love. I've got some short dresses for you.
we will see.
Wait, so I really like this white one. Oh, what do you rate this? The other one?
The white one, I give a 2.5.
Grabe! What's a rating here? Like from 1 to 10?
1 to 10.
1 to 10, 2.5?
I don't like it.
Oh,
I don't like it. This one here, let's see.
Wait, so I need to take my
You look like a bird.
Wait. I'm gonna put on like a strapless bra. Real
Okay.
quick, okay?
Is this wrong?
It's a bit loose here.
It reminds me of feathers.
Yeah, I just need to adjust it because it's a bit loose. The back, is it all zipped up?
Yeah.
That's where it stops?
It's too big for you.
Yeah, I know. Everything's too big. Actually, here, it's not too bad. But like you don't like the length?
Someone a bit taller.
I don't mind this actually. I like this length.
Okay, I don't like the length. It's too long. But it's better than the other one.
Oh, okay. So what do you rate this one?
On the right type of girl, it's...
No, me!
Okay, 3.5.
Grabe talaga siya ka-honest, do.
Everything you choose is just long. And it's like old-fashioned.
Oy, grabe ka. Long is the new short. Long is the new
No,
short.
it's not.
Another dress. Okay.
Did you choose these?
Yeah!
Okay.
Ito, naalala ko to. Extra small to, guys. Wow, it's tight! Did you
No,
like it?
that is not very good at all.
Why?
No, that looks stupid.
This is really... Why am I picking all these long dresses? So it fits, but it's really tight.
Yeah.
I was like, hindi ako makahinga. The picture looks really good on this one, and it's extra small. That's why I got this. But you know what? I can easily adjust that. I can just like put another...
Yeah, buttons a bit more closer.
Yeah. What do you rate this one? It's alright, you can be honest.
I will be. 3.5.
Grabe. Wala pang umabot ng...
Out of 10.
Wala pang umabot ng 5. Okay, next!
I'm not loving these.
That looks like that because they have a lot of fabric, so
It
maybe
does.
that's...
But it comes down to the length as well.
Ayun yun ang makakapag.
This is something I like.
Wow!
This will look good.
Okay, can you take this off, please?
Did you get this one because you think I'd like this one?
No.
Yes.
I got this for myself.
I like that one.
Already?
Yeah, that's how. I like the length.
Of course you do.
I like the length.
And
I think it's cute.
You can do this. Huh?
Yeah, it's cute.
Oh,
I like it.
I do actually like it as well.
So you try something that's not bloody down to your ankles and it looks way better. When you're short, you don't wear long dresses. I'm giving you some advice. No, that looks way better than that crap over there.
This does look good.
What do you think I'll give that out of 10?
Oh yeah, I don't know.
I guess.
I think you'll give this an 8.
Nah, 7.5.
Oh, okay.
But it's
Still not quite there yet.
Is this a dress or
This is nice. Oh no, don't open that one. That's alright. That's just a top. Meron akong yung kasi ng champagne na top ko. I got the other color kasi it fits me.
Okay.
So this
is a dress and I can tell I'm not gonna like it. Look how much material it is. You gotta next time let me choose your stuff. Seriously.
Okay, next time Dad will choose my dresses. And he will choose like all short, really tight dresses.
You like this color?
Oh, I do. I like that color. I think that's too big. I won't even try it. That's too big. No, that's a jumpsuit. Meron akong black. Yung black na jumpsuit. Binili ko yung ibang kulay kasi nagkasya sa akin yung jumpsuit eh. Yung kailangan ko i-address yung ano lang. Yung sinuot ko sa birthday party.
This is a... Okay, this will be interesting.
That's too big.
Yeah, that's too big.
Yeah,
Or
no,
one.
I can tell the waist is too big. Yeah, no, not that one. What's that one? A top?
That's a dress.
Ooh, you like this?
I like that.
Okay. Remove this one.
See, these shorter ones, babe, are the way to go. Yeah, this is what summer is. That's not summer. That reminds me of going
I don't want to wear short
to church
dresses all the time.
or working in the fields.
What fields?
I don't know, it's around your field work. This is I'm going out to the beach, I'm going out for a drink.
No way.
I'm going out for a nice lunch.
You're not going out to the beach wearing this.
Yes, you are.
It's kind of like a formal dress. Not formal, but like, you know, dinner maybe.
No.
Summer dinner.
Nah, I like this one.
This
This is
I like these.
exactly. Buy stuff that suits your body,
Look at that.
not stuff that hits the floor when you walk.
Oh, wow. I think you're supposed to wear it like this.
Nah, it looks better like that.
No, mahuhulog so big.
No, that's not good. Like that. Let's say like that.
You don't like this?
It's a 7.5. I actually like it like that, but it's not made for that because of...
I actually can adjust it.
Yeah, it looks better
So,
like that when you
I
shoulder
know, it does look better like that.
Actually a fashion designer.
Oh, this fits really well
It does.
as well.
It looks really good, babe.
Yeah.
7.75.
Okay. This is nice. I like
That's
this.
nice, yeah.
Ganda to, guys.
I think bring that one and the pink one overseas.
Where am I gonna wear these to?
Boracay?
Boracay, this?
You people walk around in their bloody bikinis in Boracay.
Yeah.
So you can wear
This
it.
is like, no, this is not Boracay. Boracay, in Boracay you wear something flowy and white. Like the first one.
No, don't wear that crap. That looks
Oh,
chocolate.
that Boracay!
No, that's not Boracay.
Oh, Boracay! Oh, palm trees and pineapple?
It's not, it's nice looking, but this is not Boracay.
Okay.
This doesn't remind me of Boracay.
As if you've been to Boracay, Daddy boy.
I've watched enough YouTube videos about it. It's a nice dress that one there, babe. But I like the pattern, it's a nice pattern.
This one, the pineapple?
Yeah, you don't have a good choice, it's a nice pattern.
Oh, I think
You're gonna have to get the straps adjusted here. Oh, actually, this is what I can do. Let me just do this.
it fits, babe. This is a Boracay dress.
Yeah, that one, I'll give you that. You can wear that Boracay, it's very,
Yeah.
very
Very
beachy.
Boracay-y.
Yeah, palm trees and pineapples.
Yeah. Nice
Yeah.
to guys.
That's not a bad one.
Ding, ding, ding,
6.
ding. 6?
6.
Which one's your favorite? The short ones.
It goes, gold medalist is the black with the white dots. Silver medalist is the
Ooh,
pink
I
one.
can wear that. I can wear that for New Year. Polka dots.
You can, that's a good New Year dinner.
Yeah.
That's a good one, babe. Good choice.
Yeah.
And that's third. That's a bronze.
Okay.
Yeah.
The pink is the
Silver.
Silver. Okay. That's it. Thank you so much, Mr. Danny Boy, for your brutally honest opinion.
You're welcome.
That's it, guys, for this vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Sana na-enjoy nyo. Please like this video. Oh, by the way, all these are from Yes Style, ha. I will leave the links in the description box. So, kung available pa sila, i-leave ko yung links nilang lahat. And the link of Yes Style as well. And don't forget to use my code rhaze10 to get 10% off. Thank you guys for watching. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys
Focus.
soon.
Focus.
Bukas?
Focus.
Bukas. Bye guys. Good
See you guys.
night. Be good. Mwah. Be good, people. Be good.
There you go.